Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful, fully loaded 2018 Forest River Riverstone 39RKFB quad slide luxury fifth wheel. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. This is a true Four Seasons camper. Does have frameless tinted, dual pane windows. Your sidewall construction is the thickest in the industry. 3 1/4 inch thick sidewalls. Most of your fifth wheels are going to have a 2-inch thick sidewall, so sidewall construction on this is definitely a leader in the industry as far as insulation and thickness. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. Beautiful rear kitchen, bath and a half floor plan I'm going to show you. Okay. It's a quad slide fifth wheel. First slide out is going to accommodate the trifold, ultra leather sofa, and show off the fabrics there. Ultra leather or leatherette. Everything's pretty much in excellent condition. There is a little rub mark right there. And there's a little spot up in the bedroom slide out that I'll show you. But as far as condition, 1 through 10, 10 being the best, I think a dealer would take this in and definitely rate it a 9. As far as condition. But okay, second slide out is going to be a super slide. It's going to be about 12 foot long, 12 to 14 foot long, 3 foot deep. Accommodate the office feature here. Nice office chair and your freestanding table and chairs. This table does pull out, and you can add 2 more chairs here. There may be some extra chairs up underneath the bed. I forgot to check that out. I do want to point out you do have the roller blades blinds. They're the blackout blinds, and these are the ones you want. These are the upgraded ones. But the sidewall thickness on this camper is so thick that they actually recessed the blinds into the sidewall. So usually you're not going to find that on a traditional fifth wheel. Definitely nice. Rear kitchen floor plan. And you do have the 20 cubic foot residential refrigerator with ice maker. Runs on an inverter. When you're driving down the road, it does have a 1,000 watt inverter on this coach, standalone for this refrigerator. So when you're driving down the road, the refrigerator stays cold. Owners have not had a chance to detail it. There's a little yuck in there in the fridge, but the owners have not had a chance at all to detail this coach. I kind of put a rush on it to get this thing on the market. Ice maker up underneath there, and this is by LG. Show off the LG badge right there. I'm not sure what they're calling the cabinets. Looks like a dark maple to me, but definitely cabinets are going to be some of the best in the industry. All solid wood, brushed nickel finish. On all your hardware. Pantry area, I do want to point out you do have soft closing doors, pantry doors, which is definitely nice. A lot of residential features on this coach. It's going to be really awesome feature. This is going to be your dishwasher. Stainless steel finish on the dishwasher. That is something you're usually not going to find on a traditional fifth wheel. Your countertops are some of the best in the industry, if not the best. It's a marble countertop. I'll show that off there. Get some good lighting right there. There we go. Nice garbage chute right there. You put a little basket down in there. Double bowl stainless steel sink. Nice pull-out residential style faucet. And more counter space. I do want to point out it's the 3-burner gas cooktop, but this is not your traditional gas cooktop. This is more residential style. Definitely nicer than your traditional gas cooktops that you'll find in your fifth wheels. You do have beautiful LED light accent up underneath the cabinets here, and up underneath the pantry there, and up above you do have the tin finish on your ceiling in the kitchen area here. LED lights all around. All your AC and all your heat is all ducted. This is the AC unit on this coach is a whisper quiet. It's going to be the definitely one of the quietest in the industry. Show off the vinyl flooring. It's a marble look all throughout the high traffic area. furnace on this is going to be a 40,000 BTU furnace. Your AC is going to be a dual 15,000 BTU AC units, and I believe they have heat pumps. Fireplace here is going to be also electric, so it's like an electric space heater. Definitely nice. And your stereo on this coach, Bluetooth, smart device ready. So there's your sound bar right there, right underneath the TV. TV is going to be, I believe, a 60-inch flat screen by Samsung. And you got to point out the infinity light in the ceiling here in the entertainment area. That's definitely cool. Recessed LED puck lights throughout the coach. This is a bath and a half floor plan. This is the half bath. Foot flush china toilet. Nice vanity area. And I do want to point out, fantastic vent fans are all throughout this camper. I think you have 3 of them. And here's one of the control panels for this fantastic vent fan in the bathroom. This coach fully loaded, stackable washer dryer unit. Solid. It's going to be a Corian, or that might be a marble finish in the half bath area here. So the video, central vac here in the side aisle hallway. Walking up into the master bedroom here, it's going to be your 3rd slide out, king bed slide, and king bed lifts up, lots of storage up underneath. You do have the Ultra Plus mattress. Spin around here, this is going to be your 4th slide out, 2nd fireplace and space heater. I believe 36-inch flat screen TV. I do want to point out all your fascia is going to be all hardwood finish. It's not that wrap stuff that they usually put in fifth wheels and travel trailers. I do want to point out the other yellow area here. This is one of the reasons why I rated it a 9 and not a 10. Little stain area, or scratch, I'm sorry, in the wood. It could easily be touched up, finished. Fairly cheap. You do have the solar control on this coach. Right there is your solar control panel. USB charging stations on each side of the bed, of your king bed. And going into the full master bath. Beautiful front master bath. Fantastic vent fan. It's your 3rd one. Beautiful marble countertops. Beautiful finishes on all your faucets. LED lights accent up underneath the cabinets there. There's your marble stone look in the floor. Beautiful residential style 1-piece shower. You don't have to worry about caulking seams. You do have a seating area here. Glass enclosed. Again, this coach has not been detailed. You can probably see the water droplets and stains on the glass. Huge skylight. You have a huge walk-in closet here. It's finished in a cedar lining, and you do have LED light accent even in the closet. Definitely one of the largest walk-in closets you're going to find on a fifth wheel. I did not find any water damage or any issues that may be a concern to a potential buyer on this coach. The batteries were a little low on this coach, so I had to get a generator out at the storage lot and hook it up to it and fire it right up. I do want to point out this is an on-demand water heater, so you don't have a water tank on this. This is on-demand. I think some of them call it endless hot water, but that's definitely a nice feature. Here's your control panel for your fantastic vent fan. Okay, speed up this video. I'm not going to be able to get everything on this coach, but solid wood pocket doors going from the master bedroom into the master bath, and then from the master bedroom into the living area. Here is another hard solid wood pocket door. Give you an idea of the floor plan here. I do want to point out this does have the one control MyRV control panel here, and you can hook it up to your iPhone too, which is definitely a cool feature because you can operate your lights, your awning, your slide outs, your leveling jacks by your smart device or smartphone outside. So that's definitely a cool feature. LED. This is going to be your inverter control panel here. This is going to be your slide out button for the bedroom slide out here, and this is generator prep, so If you wanted a generator, you have that option. Okay, I do want to point out you do have full controls on your lights. You can dim them down, bring them back up. You have that option. That's definitely neat. Do want to point out this is the upgraded entry step system here. Nice heavy duty. This coach is made for full timing. Nice 17.5 aluminum alloy wheels. Nitro fill. These are H-rated tires. And you do have a 6-point hydraulic auto leveling system on this coach. There's 4 of the jacks there and 2 in the rear. You do have insulated slam latch baggage doors here. Thickest side slam latch baggage doors you're going to find in a fifth wheel. It's one of the largest garage areas in a fifth wheel. You do have the central vac system right there. This cargo area here, garage, is all heated. Ducted heat or forced heat into the compartment area. You do have one of your gas struts that came off right here. I don't have my screwdriver, but not sure why it's off. But anyway, LP tanks go here. You do have dual large LP tanks. The owners took them out because where they were going to store this coach originally, they had to take off the LP tanks for safety. Outside speakers. This coach has a full entertainment package on it. It does have a 32 or 36 inch flat screen TV that I'll show you right here. There we go. And it's protected by a slam latch insulated baggage door there. Show off those beautiful frameless tinted dual pane windows. And this coach is equipped with dual awnings. Again, the coach has not been detailed, so the awnings are dirty. The sun's going to get me here. Nice LED light strips underneath both awnings, so your whole patio side is lit up at night. All your fiberglass is full fiberglass gel coat finish, the best in the industry. Give you an idea of the side view here. We're in a storage lot, so it's not the most beautiful background, so I'm trying to stay close on the coach. Beautiful Riverstone badge right there. And you do have storage up underneath here. And that's where your generator would go if you wanted that option. I do want to point out the Trail air ride system on this. This is the best pin box system you're going to get. More comfortable ride. And we've got a big pond here. There, we don't step in that water. I do want to point out front and rear molded fiberglass caps. Painted, gel coated. Shoot down the side here on the back side, show off that back side there. Did not find really any issues with this coach as far as scratches, dents, or anything like that. This is locked, but anyway, you get the idea. There's storage there. This is going to be your battery compartment area. You can put 4 batteries here if you want. Looks like they have 2 paralleled together, and they're on slide trays. Again, slam latch baggage doors. I do want to point out this coach is 43 feet 7 inches, and overall height is 13 feet 7 inches. But exterior length is 43 feet 7 inches. There's your inverter right here. This is going to be your water hookups area here. Outside shower. You do have a winterizing setup here. You follow directions. Pretty easy to winterize this coach. Water hookup here for fresh water and to fill up your holding tanks. I believe it's in like somewhere like an 80-gallon freshwater tank on this coach. This is your black tank sewer flush. And this is your battery disconnect. Save you on your battery. All your holding your gate valves or your dump valves are all enclosed and protected from the elements. So this is a true Four Seasons camper. Nice level up system here. All your controls are right here to level your coach. Okay. This is going to be the back side of that garage area. You got the idea on that. This is going to be your tankless water system here, or endless water, hot water system on this coach. So that's definitely a nice feature. You don't have to worry about a tank running out of hot water. There's a black tank sewer flush, probably for the downstairs bathroom. Okay, furnace, 40,000 BTU furnace. Your underbelly's all fully enclosed, heated. Show off the underbelly right there. And see if I can get those leveling jacks in the rear. It's going to get loud when I get back here because the generator is back there that I'm using to power this coach right now. Full awning package. You do have slide outs, awnings over slide outs. Nice LED service light there. There's your exhaust or venting for your washer dryer combo unit, your dryer. Again, your 17.5 alloy wheels. These are the big wheels. These are the ones you want. Show up that Joke Oak fiberglass. That's a taupe color finish. It's like an I think they're calling this might be the 3D Max, HD 3D Max finish. The taupe color is bled all the way through the fiberglass. This is going to be your access for your garbage can. Remember, in the kitchen, there's your trash can right there. This does have the power cord reel for your 50 amp power plug. This is a 50 amp coach. Power cord reel, you're definitely not going to find that on a coach. Oh, I do want to point out, you do have the little magnets. Holds up the doors. I try to point out those things. More storage here. And this is going to be the winterizing low point drain here. And I believe this is for your ice maker. So it's easy to winterize if you need to get it winterized. It's going to be loud, but I'm going to show off the back cap here and that hitch. There's that hitch system. I'm not sure what the hitch is rated at. Beautiful rear molded cap. And you do have a backup camera right there. That backup camera, I forgot to point it out, but there's a monitor in the kitchen area that you put in your truck, and anyway, or you can keep it in for security at night, which is definitely neat. So backup camera on this coach. I think I've got everything. If I didn't, I do apologize. There's a ton of stuff on this camper, and I'm trying to rush it because I'm not sure how much gasoline's in that generator. Okay. Anyway, if you like this video, I'd appreciate if you give it a thumbs up. If you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you want to keep up to date with RVs for sale, coming for sale in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thank you.